Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates and as well as interview tips, career guidance in our channel. If you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two job notification, very big job notification which is come from product based company as well as service based company. So also आपको अच्छा खासा सैलरी का जॉब भी आज के वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन में मिलने वाला है एंड एक मेन चीज़ मैं आपको डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ इस वीडियो में कि इस वीडियो का जो जॉब नोटिफिकेशन आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस देयर इज़ नो परसेंटेज क्राइटेरिया दैट इज़ एनी ग्रेजुएट विथ एनी परसेंटेज there is no percentage limitation in this company notification, so you can apply here. So first job notification which has come from Amazon, for this particular notification there is no requirement of percentage criteria. Okay, so their transportation team actually looking for the passionate software engineer. So basically their hiring will be responsible with the operation and business team. Your solution will impact the customer directly. So they're hiring for Hyderabad location. Firstly clear to you. So 0 to 3 years experience, overall development in technical support experience if you have, you are eligible. So as 0 to 3 year experience is mentioned, so freshers are obviously eligible. So strong object-oriented development knowledge in C++, Java required, knowledge of Unix, Linux operating system required, proven ability to troubleshoot and identify the root cause of the issue, and demonstrate the skill and passion for operational excellence and documentation skills required. Preferred qualification is mainly these are the preferred qualification, like knowledge of Unix or Linux operating system and C++ or Java. Among those two object oriented language, if you have knowledge in any one, you are definitely eligible and definitely you will be the fittest candidate if you have clear cut knowledge, if you are able to clear the experience or clear the interview round. Okay, so nothing you need to do, just click on apply now button and the form will be open to you where you need to give your email address for login, and for creation of your account just create your account with your email address and password there. So so that's the basic steps. After creation of your account you just need to log in there. Okay, so this is the first job notification I want to discuss with you, because there is no percentage criteria. BEB Tech of 2020, 2019, 2021 batches are eligible here. So they have also shared the CTC, and the CTC will be nearly 4 to 5 LPA within this range. Now I'm going to discuss about the second job notification which has the highest CTC declared in this time zone. Okay, so the CTC they have declared is 11 lakh per annum. They are hiring freshers batch from 2020 graduates to 2021 graduates. Basically the program or the role they are hiring is software engineer. The company name is Privify Technologies India Private Limited. It's a service based company based out of India, as well as they have 100 plus offices all over the world. So you can check their website, that is www.privify.com. So if you have no knowledge about this company, so you can just go through their website and give a look that they basically data in motion service based company. So they basically provide security stack as a service in security platform. Their clients basically Office 365, VMware, these type of large companies are their clients. So you can check their profile. So this job notification has come through Elitmus portal. So you need to give the online examination through Elitmus, or if you have already given the Elitmus, if you have good PH score, then you are eligible. So basically the last date to apply for this drive is 23rd of September, that is Thursday, this coming Thursday, and drive date will occur on 25th of September, Saturday. So it's an online round it will be, and 2021-2020 batch BEB Tech in CSIT branches are eligible. Good academic record and good PH score are required. So Pragpa is looking basically for the software engineer, those who have knowledge in development, manage cloud-based platforms across the all cloud providers like Azure, AWS, GCP. Those are mainly eligible. Python test, maintain software products will be another responsibility of you. Knowledge of experience working in Linux environment, NoSQL database will be a plus point. So it's a product based, I mean to say it's a service based, highly packaged, highly giving CTC packaged company. So they will definitely give harder questions there. They will take uh, interview in a very hard manner. So try to prepare very well to get this job. So basically, you need to first clear the round with your good PH score and good academic record. Then just you need to click on apply. Just you need to create your account there, because if you don't have your login ID, then you will unable to apply it. So first you have to do your regi- registration with your email address, password. Then after registering, just log in and fill some educational details and working experience detail, you can apply. So these two job notification in our video actually helps you to get your job. Let me know if you have any doubt, and also if you are clearing these examination, let me know also in the comment box, because and also don't forget to share the questions you have find out, or you can share those questions in our Instagram profile, as well as you can discuss any doubts in our Telegram channel we have opened. So I will give this link in the description box. Hope you will crack these two जॉब नोटिफिकेशन. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए आप लोग, इससे हमको मोटिवेशन मिलता है, और आपको भी लेटेस्ट न्यू वीडियो का न्यूज़ तो आता ही रहता है. तो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. वी विल मीट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद न्यू जॉब अपडेट्स. टेक केयर.